Hey there, struggling to break bad habits or overcome addiction? You're not alone, and today I'm going to share proven strategies to help you take control of your life. Stick around because these tips are easy to follow and will get you results fast. The first step is eliminating triggers. If you want to break a bad habit, you have to remove things that tempt you. Throw away that pack of cigarettes or remove junk food from your home. The less you see the temptation, the easier it becomes to say no. Create a space that supports your goals, not your habits. Simple changes in your environment can make a huge impact. Next, replace your bad habit with a positive one. For example, if you feel like smoking, try a deep breath or meditate. Or if you're trying to stop eating junk, replace it with healthy snacks or exercise. It's all about redirecting your energy into something better. You can do this. Remember, the brain loves routines. Once you establish a new habit, your mind will crave it just like your old habit. The third strategy is setting SMART goals. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I'll quit smoking," say, "I'll reduce my cigarettes to 5 a day by the end of this week." The clearer the goal, the easier it will be to track your progress. Trust me, small steps lead to big change. Fourth strategy. Find an accountability partner. You don't have to do this alone. Whether it's a friend, family member, or a support group, having someone to check in with makes you more likely to succeed. They'll keep you motivated when things get tough. And don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. We all need support sometimes, and that's okay. Fifth strategy. Celebrate the small wins. Every time you make progress, even if it's just one step, celebrate it. This positive reinforcement trains your brain to associate quitting with reward, making it more likely you'll keep going. Remember, breaking habits takes time, but with consistency, you will win. Ready to start breaking those bad habits today? I believe in you. Drop a comment below to share your goals, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips. Stay strong and stay focused. You got this.